Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. This truck is solid. It feels really nice. It shifts nice and smooth. It sounds amazing. A little bit of wind noise here. I got this vent kind of cracked open. The steering is really responsive, actually. It's nice and straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. The brakes feel good. This is an amazing truck. I'm really surprised with this. It drives awesome. Yeah, those brakes are solid. They feel really good. Power steering is nice. Has a pretty good turning radius there. It's a very well built truck. The suspension feels good. I mean, I really have no complaints with this truck. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this restoration is a high 9 out of 10 as far as overall quality and condition goes. This truck is very, very nice. These wheels are absolutely perfect. Tires look amazing. Looking at the fender here, we do have a scratch right there. Got a little chip here. A couple little scuffs from just everyday washing. I see a little ding there. The lower side looks good. There's a little chip here. Got a chip right there. That white looks good. The door looks amazing. Bedside is really clean. That wheel looks good. Tires look good. Got the bed liner. Absolutely gorgeous. Here on that bow tie, there is a chip on the top side. That blue looks good. Little scuffs here on that chrome. Got a small imperfection there. A chip here. You're gonna have little bubbles in the paint every once in a while, little dimples. For the most part, looks really, really nice. Got one tiny rock chip there. Headlight looks good. That graphic looks awesome. And looking at the engine bay, looks absolutely gorgeous. Got the Rhino line tubs here. All of that looks good. The underside is really clean. Here on the driver's side, got a little scratch on that trim piece. A little chip here. For the most part, that all looks really nice. Wheels are absolutely perfect. The white looks amazing. Mirror looks good. Overall, that door is clean. You got a couple chips on the edge here. Couple little surface scuffs just from everyday washing. Besides a little rock chip here and there, this thing looks really, really good on this side. Then here on the tailgate, upper section looks good. We do have a chip right here. And then you have a imperfection there. Looks like a hole of some sort. There's something in it. Little scratch. Those lights look good. Looks like the insert on that letter right there ripped off. The rest of those look nice. I think those are just little vinyl stickers, so that could be replaced pretty easy. That back bumper looks good. I'll try to get under here. Looks really nice. Very clean. Then looking at the interior, it is absolutely gorgeous. You got a couple dents down here, a few small scuffs. That chrome looks good. Upper section looks nice. That looks awesome. And these seats look perfect. Super soft. Beautiful dark red. Steering wheel looks amazing. A small chip right there. That looks nice. All of this looks really good. They did a phenomenal job on this. And then checking out the interior on this side. All of this is nice and secure. The window rolls down really easy. Looking at the door jambs. They look nice. A couple dents in the metal, but otherwise that looks good. And here on the top side, you can see a couple gashes. The chrome looks nice. Upper section's clean. These seats look amazing. Really, really nice. That looks good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. You do have some scuffs and scratches and a little bit of wear up here in some spots. Otherwise, it looks good.